Math Olympiad. Welcome. The topic today is deformation by trigonometric identities. So we have to simplify the following expression: the number 1, number 2, and number 3. What is the solution? Let's go immediately to work in the number 1. Number 1, the expression here. The expression equals. So it's equal. Let's write. It's a little bit long. The numbers that we have to write. Just write it here. Open the crochet and then write inside 1 plus. Look at the problem. The first one, plus sin. So this here sin of this angle, just this sin the angle minus cosine, of course, of this angle, right? This must to be to the second power. Let's use the black marker here. To the second power. Close the crochet. Now next is plus. Again open another crochet right here, and then write 1 minus here sin. Again sin of this angle plus cos of this angle. All right. Here close it to the second power, right? Everything must be divided by 1 here. The bar 1 minus cos of this angle, right? 1 let's cos it to the second power here, minus sin here or sine of this angle, right? Let's see. One more step. Now this will be equals. We have to remember simplify the expression. How simplify the expression? So now let's write here. Let me write 4. Let's write will be 4 here. 4 plus 2, and then open. Let's write a crochet. Inside we must write sin of this angle, or sine minus cosine, or the same the angle we are talking about, minus here just write again. Let's write it right there. Here again, see, yes, sine of the angle, this angle, plus cosine, cos of this angle, cross it here, and then write the crochet, right? This is must be everything together, plus here plus it's long 2. Just write 2 right here. Inside open another parenthesis. Just write sin to the second power of this angle, plus cosine of to the second power of this angle. It's a long process. Now in the bottom, the denominator, we have to write. Let's write in the bottom 1 minus 2 cos plus cos to the second power of this angle, minus sin to the second power, right? Yeah, that's it at the bottom, the denominator. Now next step, Next step is a conclusion. We have to find this will be the answer. So the last step is write 4 minus 4. Let's write right here. In top cos of this angle, all right? Divided by 2 cos to the second power minus 2 cos of the angle which we are talking about. So now if we simplify this, we have 2 on top, 2 divided by in the denominator, we will have cos right here. This will be equals negative 2 second of the angle, this angle. All right, this is the simplest form, simplest expression. This is the answer for the first one. All right, the first one is done. Let's go and then solve the second one. Let's talk about the problem number 2. The number 2 problem. So the number 2 problem, let's write by 1 plus cos, and in number 2, problem number 2, cosine to the second power. Yeah, this is a different name. This is equals cosecant to the second power, where equals to the equals 1 divided by sin or sin. Here the expression equals. So now this expression will be equals, and now just write it. First step will be here we will have sine of this angle or the angle here, minus 1 divided by of sin of this angle plus square root inside sin to the second power plus here 2 plus 1. We have to simplify this sin to the second power. All right, that's our expression. Now this will be equals sine of square here minus 1 plus, we have to write in different way this expression inside. All this here, you are able to write it like this. Sin arroba plus here will be 1. Yeah, 1 again sine of now to the second power. Right? So next almost done. Next, as we will have sine of an angle, this angle, minus 1 sine arroba again plus absolute value here, absolute value sine of this angle plus 1 sine of arroba, absolute value. Okay, here this is very important. To conclusion, on top we have 2 sine r over here. We have to write here is 2k pi, for instance. 2k pi. less than the angle which we are talking about, less than 2, k pi plus pi, which in this case k belong to z, I mean the whole numbers. In the barrel we will have a negative 2 cosecant this angle, and then the same information here, but it's a little bit different. Here will be 2k pi here, minus 2k here, less than this angle, the angle which I'm talking about, less 2k pi, which k belong to z, I mean to the whole numbers. So that's it, the number 1. This is our conclusion for problem number 2. Let's simplify the number 3. Number 3 is a little bit easier, right? Let's see the number 3. Using the double here, we have to use the double half. And problem number 3, angle formula. All right. Then we see the expression. We see the expression equals. Now the expression will be equals. Let's write. First is 8 sin. Yeah, we talked about 8 sins here. Cos or our angle, then cos 2, and then cos 4. So divided by here we have to divide by 8 sin or angle. Okay, so now this will be equals. We have on top 4 sin or sine 2 plus, and then cos 2 cos or cosine 4 angle in the bottom, 8 sin. Okay, so the last step, we will have here 2 sine, and then 4 cosine, yes, 4 cosine, yeah, 4 here, let's see, 4 cos, 4 talking about the angle, so divided by here 8 sin, 8 sine. Simplify here, sine of 8 arroba, it's not, remember it's not 0, it's the angle which we are talking about. So 8 sine or angle. This is actually this is the simplest form. So, but what I mean this, for instance, let's see for like example, let's see this angle equals pi divided by 7. Right? If the angle is equal like that, and get the cos, let's get the cos here, or cosine. Cosine of pi divided by 7. See, cos pi divided by 7. I mean, and the second one is 2. Yeah, it's 2. Let's write it 2. I am writing this like example. 2 pi divided by 2. Divided by 7. Divided by 7. And then cos 4. Yeah, it's 4. And then let's pi divided by 7. Okay, this is equals will be as an example, just simple explain it our problem. Let's take example. Okay, let's write it right here. We will have equals on top. We will have sine 8 pi divided by in the bottom 7. Here we will have 8 sine pi divided by 7 in the bottom. So you simplify all this, the answer will be equals negative 1/8. Right? So let's just how apply some real problem. Okay, you discover the power of the mathematics and list your infinity potential.